In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find remote jobs on Amazon Jobs. We'll walk through the exact path on the Amazon career site so you can quickly find remote-friendly openings and narrow them to what fits you best. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon Careers website at amazon.jobs. When the homepage loads, look to the very top left corner of the page. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the menu or hamburger icon. Click that to open the main navigation. From the menu, choose Locations. This takes you to a page that highlights different places where Amazon hires. Scroll down this page until you see the section dedicated to remote jobs. It's easy to miss if you scroll quickly, so take a moment to scan the headings as you go. Inside the remote jobs section, click the button labeled Explore Remote Roles. That opens the live job search results filtered to remote-friendly positions. You can start browsing right away. Each listing shows the job title, team or category, and the country or region where the role is available. Open any job card to read the overview, but for now let's focus on tightening the results. Use the filters to the side of the results to fine-tune your search. Start with country or region to limit roles to places where you're eligible to work. Many remote jobs at large companies are region-specific for time zones, payroll, or legal reasons, so selecting the right country is important. If available, refine further with state or province, and then city. Even for remote listings, some teams anchor roles to a location for compliance or collaboration, so these filters help surface the most realistic matches. Next, adjust employment type to choose between full-time, part-time, seasonal, or internship roles depending on your goals. Category lets you target broad fields like software development, operations, marketing, customer support, and more, so you're not wading through unrelated listings. Finally, use role type to filter by the level of responsibility, such as individual contributor versus management, to align with your experience. As you apply filters, watch the results count update so you know whether you're narrowing too far. If nothing appears, remove one filter at a time to widen the search. When you see a strong match, open the listing to review responsibilities, qualifications, and the eligible locations. That's the full path. Homepage, menu, locations, remote jobs, explore remote roles, then refine with filters. Take a few minutes to try it yourself and dial in the filters that fit you best.